clothes that you can't.
That you got? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So.
I didn't know that. It's not a guy, just FYI.
Okay.
My best friend was a girl. Was.
I'm sorry, I had never any crush on any teacher.
went
It was a
all-boys.
convent,
Yeah, the
convent,
problems.
nun-run, all-girls school.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. I was in an all-boys school, but we had some
Fun.
cute teachers.
We're so bad at this game. Hi, this is Lara Datta.
Hi, this is Pratik Baba.
And you're watching us on E-Time.
So there's this concept which we are trying to play with both of you. So you have to basically like fake hiccup if you have done something. And if you have not done, then you just have to use the cross finger. Okay? So it's like never have I ever kind of a game. So never have I ever gone skinny dipping.
Which means yes.
Yes.
Which means yes. Okay. Never have I ever gone on a blind date. Okay. Never have I ever creeped on an ex on social media.
Oh my God.
Never have I ever been hungover.
Wait, what? Never? Of course.
Hungover.
Never have I ever been hungover.
Hungover.
Means you have been hungover.
Which means hiccup is yes, I have been.
And you have been constantly hicking ups, of course. Hicking ups or hiccups, okay. Never have I ever eaten a carton of ice cream.
Of course I have.
I have never eaten a carton of ice cream.
Many times.
No, I don't
Oh,
have
wow.
a sweet tooth actually, so
Oh, you
I'm
don't?
excused.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I
Never,
sit with a tub sometimes.
never have I ever gone commando.
Of course I have.
Yes, you have.
I think I have too, because as a model, there are a lot of clothes that you can't.
That you got? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So,
I didn't know that.
Okay. Never have I ever kissed more than one person in 24 hours.
never have I ever kissed more than
More
one.
than-
More than one person.
Yeah, maybe I think I'm trying to think back. Yeah, but in the days, in the good old days.
In the good old days.
Never have I ever shaved my head.
You have?
No,
You
I
have?
haven't. Oh, I haven't. No, never have I ever, right? I have never. Oh, have I never?
You have not. That's a cross fingers.
I haven't shaved my head.
You have, no?
A few times.
We're so bad at this game.
Never have I ever fallen asleep during sex.
How do you do that? You can't. How do you fall asleep? I don't think anyone has. Has? I really want.
Some people must have.
Depends on the partner,
I'd love to
completely.
meet these people. Actually.
Never have I ever kissed my best friend. Please, actually.
It's not a guy, just FYI.
Okay.
My best friend was a girl. Was. We're not
Never
best friends
have-
anymore, but
Okay. Never have I ever ghosted someone. Okay. Never have I ever gotten a speeding ticket.
Speeding ticket.
I
Okay.
recently got one.
Never have I ever gotten a tattoo. You have. Yeah, both of you. Never have I ever peed in a pool.
Oh my God, I thought I was going to be the only one.
Never have I ever slid into someone's DMs.
I haven't.
I don't think I have.
Okay. Never have I ever dined and dashed.
What does that mean?
We did in the show. Does that count?
What does that mean? Yeah. I mean, dine and wham bam. Thank you.
No,
ma'am.
no,
No.
I'm meaning eat, like left in the middle of a day, like eaten
Yes.
and then.
Eaten and just like quickly ran away.
We did it in the show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Life में भी किया.
Just okay. Never have I ever had a crush on a friend's partner.
Shit.
I'm trying to
Did
think.
I actually?
I'm trying to think. On a friend's partner, actually, no, I haven't.
I think
Crush.
Lara is really very
No, listen, it's a crush. Yeah, it's an innocent crush. Of
innocent
course.
crush. Okay,
Many.
like still knowing that they're
Many,
friends.
many,
Wow.
many.
Okay. Never have I ever used a fake ID, social media ID. Okay. Okay. Last few questions. Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
Dude, I went to an all-girls school. I'm sorry, I had never any crush on any teacher.
I went
It was a
all-boys school.
convent,
Yeah, the
convent,
problems.
nun-run,
Oh my
all-girls school.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
There is no crush on
I
any
agree
teacher.
with you.
Oh my
because
God.
I've been to convent too. And
Really?
Yeah.
Oh
So.
my God. I was in an all-boys school, but we had some
Fun.
Some cute t-shirts.
Never have I ever been in love. Of course. Never have I ever made out in a public place. So it could be theatres or somewhere like that.
No, I don't think I made out in a public place.
Okay. Never have I ever played hooky from school or work.
What is a hooky?
So just hookups and all.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, hooky is when you miss, you play truant. That's what hooky means. When
Oh.
you play, when you bunk.
Oh.
Maybe
bunk.
bunking or maybe also like trying to have a kind of.
I couldn't. I'm in an all-girls school, dude. Which part of this did you all miss just now?
And the last two questions. Never have I ever had sex on a beach.
I'm passing this to
Pratik is quite happy. He really has a very good life, I think. The last one, never have I ever snapped on my partner's phone.
You mean like?
Like just taken the phone and like just want to check out kind of a thing.
Yeah. So yeah.
You just take the phone, grab the phone.
No,
Why-
I've never done that.
While
While the
partner's with, yeah, like I mean friendly, never like,
As such.
yeah, never behind their back or stuff. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, and this was
Thank
lovely, a conversation, and all the
you.
very best.
Please watch the show.
Of course, I am definitely going to watch it. I really love the trailer, as I said.